Today we are going to the Slide Rock State Park here in Sedona, Arizona, and we're going to take you along the way. We came here 5 years ago and we just wanted to come back this afternoon to just try it again and have some fun. So we'll take you guys along the way. Right now we are traveling up the windy road to get there, but it's only a 10-minute drive from downtown Sedona.
Cool. A few rules while you're down by the creek area: no pets, amplified music, glass containers, grills, or smoking. Those things are allowed in the designated spots in the parking lot area, just not the creek. Parking will be on your left-hand side. You'll follow the paved path on your right all the way down. That'll take you to the creek.
Awesome. Thank you, man.
Have a good day.
Grabbing a quick snack on the way to Slide Rock. That way we can get real cold and throw it all up.
Yep.
So the walk from the parking lot, it's pretty short down this paved path. But it looks like they have a market with like hot dogs and ice cream. I don't know that much, I'm just reading the sign. But man, that view is amazing.
I'm so pumped. I'm so excited.
So pumped, so excited. We're gonna be slipping and sliding down these rocks.
Freezing our butt off.
Yep, I'm getting George in the water for sure, even though it is gonna be cold.
I want to go ahead and get in and get it over with. And I'll take you along the way. I'll hold the GoPro, hopefully not drop it, and film my whole entire reaction going down the slide. Got a little hike down. Nothing crazy. Feel my heart stopping with it. I know it being cold.
It's gonna be fun though.
Yeah, it'll be fun. I'll get put into a shock. Not ready. Not ready for this. Okay, I'm gonna wait for this girl to go first, and then I'll follow her down. Oh, my body. All right, here we go. Hopefully I don't drop the GoPro. Ah, it's cold. Okay.
Go for it.
Oh, it's so cold. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. I can't imagine like what my face looks like.
Well, we'll know.
So cold. Okay. I gotta thaw out in the sun. Alright, now Robbie's turn.
My turn.
My heart like literally stopped, I think. I was like, I can't catch my breath.
Is that fun?
Yeah, it was fun. It's just so cold.
Alright, George has me scared about how cold it's gonna be, but I think we got this. So good. Oh, thanks.
I know, you went way under. It was hilarious.
I just tried to let the water take me as much as I could. It took me. Woo! That is cool. That's fun. It's just a shot.
And then we're over here screaming like old people.
Oh, super fun though. Alright, that's super fun. Super cold. I think I should have gotten in the water before I went down the slide. That way I kind of was acclimated, because the water isn't that bad once you're in for a second. But man, that first touch, that jolt of adrenaline as the water rushes over you, whew, that is cold. Super fun. 10 out of 10 would recommend.
Looking good. Rob's got the chest mount on.
We're gonna go give it a run.
Rob attempting try number 2. How's it feel?
6 times down, still pretty cold. But actually in the water, my body started to get used to it. But now I'm like shaking.
Yeah, look. Slide Rock 1, George 0.
Oh no, you did it once.
I know, but it took over me. It put me in a shock.
Yeah, it was super fun though. Super worth it. One of the like most unique experiences. Are you laughing because I'm shaking?
Yeah.
Ooh, it is
Also,
cold.
like really slippery. Robbie slipped into a hole earlier. It was kind of funny. I wish I would have gotten it on tape. It fell right in.
Hey, no tattling.
Sorry. Gotta reach it.
Yeah, super fun. And the view is just spectacular. How was your experience?
It's cold, but it was fun.
Cold but fun.
Cold but fun.
The slide goes all the way down, and then there's kind of like a swimming area here.
I think I experienced my first small heart attack today
Why is that?
because it was cold. And I literally, I've said before, I'll say it again, took my breath away.
So cheesy.
But it's fun. The rocks are warm, so come lay out. Enjoy a good tan, sunburn, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah, if you're coming in the afternoon to Slide Rock, go ahead and cross over this bridge here when you come in. That puts you on the right side of the creek, which is where the sun will be as it goes down. Keep you a little bit warmer after you get out of the slide.
Yeah, it's a lot clearer this way. Instead of walking up along like kind of steep rock. Because these shoes are not made for that.
Your Walmart shoes?
My Walmart shoes, they were $19. And they look like Nike Dunks without the Nike swish. Just do it.
Back to the van. It's kind of nice though to be able to hop back in the van and change back into warm clothes. And these window covers we have are awesome because it's really not that hot in the van, even though it's pretty hot outside and the sun was beating down on it for about 2 hours. So thanks, Mom, for helping me make those. All right, here we go. Adventure number 2. We just parked the van on the side of the road. We're heading to our first hike of the trip. So the hike we're doing is Birthing Cave. We're following the instructions on all trails, as well as some advice given to me by my sister who's done this hike, and we're pretty excited. I'm also going to give the drone a test flight while we're out here. So we're going to hike a little bit and then pull it out in an open area and see how it goes. Also, it's not cold, but I did put my sweatshirt on because I think we might be hiking back with the sun going down, and I think it's gonna get a little chilly. We'll see if this was a good idea or not. Georgiana is rocking the shorts. They said there's a fork in the road, go left.
What?
Yep, I think this way. Yeah, we'll see if we can follow directions or get lost. But it looks like we're coming up on some people, so well, maybe we'll ask them if they went to the birthing cave.
I'm already out of breath, so
Like 200 yards in.
yeah, I'm out of shape and haven't worked out, and yeah, it's bad. I'm not as fit as I was the first time
I'm not as
I
fit
came
as
to
I once
Sedona.
was.
I was hiking once a month before that trip.
Oh, I think we go left.
Where's everyone else?
I mean, the sun's about to go down.
Yeah.
Kind of getting a late start on this.
Yeah.
Finished up the day at Slide Rock.
State Park.
Yeah, it was super fun, super cold, and decided we'll try and get a hike in before the sun goes down.
Yeah, they said like 20 minutes there, 20 minutes back.
Yeah, not bad. So I don't have signal, I don't have LTE signal, but I do have GPS. And it looks like we're right on the right line. So, we'll see. We're gonna get there. Hey, you guys coming from the birthing cave?
No.
No? Okay.
Know about that.
Okay. Well, we're
think
trying to
we-
follow a trail, so we'll see if we're on the right one.
Good luck. Is that the one that's kind of up that cliff right there?
I think so, yeah.
Because it looked like there was something up there.
Okay,
Okay.
yeah, then that's
Yeah.
that's probably what it is. Right up a cliff.
Well, up some layers.
Gotcha.
Alright.
Awesome, we'll check it out. Thanks. All trails said we'll be passing barbed wire, and it will be on our right. And then when I'm checking the All Trails map, it matches up. I think we're getting close. I think that's the cave up there, but we'll see. We're on track on the map. Georgiana's getting tired.
Dead. I'm not in shape.
It's okay, it's a good little warm-up hike. It's not too bad. Alright, we've reached the elevation portion. We're walking pretty much straight up. Whoops, dropped my glasses. Good thing I got a great hiking partner who got them for me. Oh. Yep, got some elevation up to this cave. And once we get up there, I'll show you guys a little bit of the view. Here's a sneak peek. Ooh, that's a good looking mountain. All right, made it up to the cave. Hello. A little echo. Wow, that's amazing. So cool. Come on, George, almost there.
I'm not a hiker
Come check
anymore.
up this. Come check out this view.
Okay.
Gonna go down here. The sun's gonna cover up those mountains.
I'm dying. Stop. I'm not fit. It's all the drugs the people gave me for my wisdom teeth. Don't do drugs. Here, come over the middle a little bit. IG reality.
We're hiking back to the van, and a bunny just crossed the trail.
Can you see him?
Yeah. There he goes. It's so pretty out here too. The sun's going down, but it's actually like really nice. And the wind has kind of died down too. All right, we're walking back up to the van now. What'd you think?
It was great.
Yeah.
I would suggest it, and we were just talking about how the All Trails app was really great to have as far as helping us get there, because there really isn't good directions on the road on how to get to the trailhead. Robbie, what do you think?
Yeah, for sure. But the view was awesome.
The view's awesome.
Definitely worth checking out the Birthing Cave Trail if you're in Sedona. Super quick, easy trail, but awesome views.
And Robbie flew our drone for the first time, and so
Yep.
I can't wait to see it, the footage.
Yep. We'll see if it was good.
Yeah.
There's Ito
Eco.
waiting for us on the side of the road.
Oh, I actually want to
Proud stallion.